QuickBooks Online, for real estate agents. Why QuickBooks Online is crucial for real estate agents. Streamline accounting tasks and free up time for core business activities. Gain real-time financial insights and make data-driven decisions. Improve organization and efficiency, reducing errors and wasted time. Key features for real estate success. Client management. Easily track client information, manage invoices, and stay on top of payments. Property management. Track expenses, income, and profitability for each property, enabling strategic decisions. Reporting and analytics. Generate customizable reports to analyze performance, track revenue, and identify trends. Simplifying common real estate tasks. Managing commissions and expenses. Track income from each sale, manage commission splits, and easily reconcile expenses. Creating professional invoices. Generate invoices for clients, track payments, and ensure timely billing. Staying organized. Organize your financials, track tax deductions, and simplify tax preparation. Boosting efficiency and profitability. Auto reminders. Set up reminders for payments, deadlines, and other critical tasks. Reducing missed opportunities. Mobile access. Stay connected to your business from anywhere with QuickBooks Online's mobile app, ensuring seamless operations, integration with other tools. Connect QuickBooks Online with popular real estate apps and services, streamlining workflows and increasing efficiency. Getting started with QuickBooks Online free trial and sign up. Start with a free trial to explore QuickBooks Online's features and capabilities. Customizing your account. Set up your account and tailor it to your specific needs as a real estate agent. Support and resources. Leverage QuickBooks Online's comprehensive support resources, including tutorials, FXCs, and expert assistance, for seamless adoption. Disclaimer. Content generated by artificial intelligence is primarily a source of entertainment and creative engagement. It is designed to evoke interest and amusement, rather than to provide authoritative information or professional advice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content and stay updated on the latest tips and tricks.